Hello everyone. On clicking on this, that slide will appear, and on the second click, the information of that country will appear. Today, I am going to show you how to properly use Zoom in PowerPoint. With a few simple steps, you will be able to add professional interactive Zoom to your presentation. PowerPoint Zoom feature is perfect for making presentation more attractive and easier to navigate. It lets you zoom in on different sections of your slide, creating a smooth organized flow. So, let's start the video. Click on right button and select picture or texture fill. Next, click right, select new slide, go to insert, click on picture and insert picture from this device. Select and insert it, and also add country name. Right click, duplicate the slide, move the text box down a bit. Right click, go to format shape, click on text option, make it 100% transparent. Go back to insert, click on shape, select rectangle shape, drag it like this. Shape outline, make it no outline. Click on shape option, select gradient fill. Adjust the gradient stroke, change the direction and change the color of the stops one by one. Also adjust the transparency. And here add information about famous places of that country. Now select this also, go to the second slide, paste it here and shift it outside the slide. This will create a very nice effect when we animate it. Right click, select new slide. Now let's make slides for different countries using the same process. Now the rest of our slides are ready. Let's organize our slide using the add section. Adding an add section helps categorize slides. Just right click between the slides on the left panel and select add section. Rename your section to keep things clear. For example, here I write the name of the country Australia and click on rename. Now add the rest of the country's name in the same manner. Now, use the Morph transition to add animation to the section. For that, select this specific slide, go to Transition and select Morph. This will create a seamless effect as you move from one section to another. Also increase the duration. Morph transition keep your presentation flowing smoothly and visually appealing. Then go to the first slide. Go to the Insert tab, click on Zoom and select Section Zoom. From here, you can select any section you have created. The feature creates clickable thumbnails that let you zoom into each section, making it easy to move between topics. That is, it allows you to quickly jump to each section as needed. Adjust the image on the slide like this. You have an engaging interactive presentation ready. On clicking on this, that slide will appear, and on the second click, the information of that country will appear. I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you enjoy it, please like, subscribe and let me know in the comments what PowerPoint feature you would like to know more about.